Alright guys, so it's taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I never done valve seats or seals before, so first day today. It's actually going pretty well. I got my 317 heads here and I'm installing the retainers and then the retainers, the valve stems, and the stock guides. So I'm getting all that in there. I'll show you how I'm doing it. It's pretty easy if you've never done it before. So I'll set you down and I'll do a couple of these. I'll finish this head off and I'll show you how easy it is. Off of the old one. Have your new one. Slide her on there. Get your new seal. Put a little looby-dooby in there. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. Spin it on there. Take your little 12 socket, put it on there. Take a little wrench, put it right there. Just press it on. Just like that. All you had to pretty much use is a one of these rocker bolts, or I think this is a front cover bolt, but they thread in the same. Just a fender washer and a little wrench and a 12mm and a pair of channel locks. I mean, I don't think you really even need the fender washers if you're going to use a throwaway bolt. Freaking leaves are falling on me. Grab too many. Alright, that's there. By the way, my finger is still bleeding from the head gasket. Another tool you can buy off of Amazon here is a valve spring compressor. Don't get those stupid jaw ones at the store. These are worthless. I think that was like 20 bucks. I always thought this stuff was super hard to do, so I always sent it into the machine shop to do it. But now I know how to do it, it's really not that bad. Just very time consuming. Pretty much hear it click on when you put that valve seal on. Last one here, and then I'll put springs in it.